Gold has breached the support at 1705, traded with bearishness. Remember the level I had told you, 1691.92. It has achieved and in fact went till towards 1690. Now also today it is trying to act bearish. Also similarly, silver has achieved 1910 before it looked forward to a drop, trading at 1854 levels now. Now what is going to happen today? Which position we should take? What could be our strategy to make profit? We will see with the help of candlestick charts and indicators. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Do not forget to press the bell icon. First, we'll look into gold, followed with silver, and do watch till the end. Do listen to it carefully. Also, the next update on gold will be up before the US cash session, along with other markets and commodities, including Nasdaq 100 and Dow Jones. Yes, if you are interested into markets, including Germany 40, FTSE, Dow Jones, Nasdaq, Nifty, or commodities, including crude oil and natural gas, you can watch those analysis as well. So, do press the bell icon. Let's start the day with gold first. Gold trading at 1692 level. This is the hourly charts. This is the hourly chart, and you can see it is giving you a fall structure. It is a expanding. If you look at this, this is an expanding triangle, and it is bearish in nature. 1695 is the level beyond which one can expect that it may show you little bullishness, but the original bulls will be back only if it breaks past 1702. So yes, if you see it trading above 1702, go long. Else till the time it is below 1702, we may see it consolidating a little. Yes, you can stay long above 1695. Then the nearest resistance you might get is 1698 and 1702 levels. Directional movement is bearish. Stochastic is at bottom. The MACD is wide divergent bearish. RSI oversold on the hourly charts. On the 2-hour charts, similar is the story. It is trying to give you another bearish move, but do not forget that if it breaks past 1695, we can again expect it to hit 1701 levels, and then 1710 levels, 17.5 levels will come into picture, which may provide a little resistance. Bearish is the directional move. Stochastic oversold, MACD wide divergent bearish, RSI oversold. So it appears that it has seen a bottom and it may try to consolidate a little. And this is the 3-hour chart. Remember, this is the indecision candle. After this, this is the first red candle, and it takes a lot for it to reverse from here and give you another similar or a bullish candle. Probably we may see couple or more follow-up candles from here after this stepping or a indecisive candle. So beyond that, yes, 1687 and 1680 levels you can target for. So if it drops below 1690, we can again expect 1687 as the first target and 1680 as the next target. 3-hour directional movement bearish, stochastic oversold, MACD wide divergent bearish, RSI near to oversold levels. Similarly, on the 4-hour charts, if you look at, this is the third red candle. Remember, 1710 is going to be the next level you should watch out for. So 1705 first target, 1710 is the next target. Any move beyond this zone is only going to be considered as a bullish move. Else, remember, it is giving you a breakout. What does the breakout mean? Breakout means that it may continue with this trend for a little while before it looks forward to a reversal. See, the step there previously was almost of 1740 to 1710, almost 30 points, and from here, if you consider 1710 to 1680 levels should be the next consolidation zone if it continues to trade likewise. Be watchful of 1690 and 1680 levels. Directional movement is bearish, stochastic is oversold, MACD has just crossed over and it is on sell side. RSI is oversold. Similarly, if you look at the daily charts, now look at the daily candle here. See, it is open flat, and after opening flat at around 1695, it is trading bearish since then. Also look at, this is giving you a breakout. It has consolidated for last 3-4 days in the same zone in between. 1705 was giving it a stronger resistance. Now this time it is giving you a breakout. So once it gives a breakout, this is only first candle. We may see a follow-up candle, and see, this candle was almost $15 of move. This candle could be of around, you can say that 8 to 10 or even $15 of move. If you consider, we can expect 1680 levels. This was the long-term target which I had told you at around 1800 levels that it may try to hit 1680, and below that there is lot much to cover up, but before that it may look up for a bounce back. So right now, till the time it trades below 1695, we can expect it to drop more. The directional movement is bearish. The stochastic is at bottom. The MACD is trying to converge and crossover. The RSI is oversold. Considering this, take a long entry in gold today at 1695. The nearest resistance we may see is at 1698 and 1701 levels. Beyond that, 1705 should provide a resistance, and the supreme resistance today for the day, it will be 1710 levels. If it trades above 1710, stay long for 1715, 1718, 1724, 35, 40. In fact, anyways, sky is the limit on the upside. Till the time it trades below 1695, I will not recommend you to go long. Below that, 1690 first target, 1687 nearest resistance, then 1680 will come into picture. My long term target will get achieved, and below 1680 there is lot much bearishness still left out in gold, and we may see it hitting further and further towards 1660 levels at the first targets, and below that we may see a good crash. So take your positions accordingly, trade accordingly. Do not go long until 1695 levels. Till the time it is below 1695, we can expect a drop. Take your positions accordingly. Now let's have a look at silver. Now anyone can see 1870 is the level beyond which you can go long. Till the time silver trades below 1870, remember it is coming out of this consolidation, we can see it falling more. How low it can go? It can get the first target at 1850 and 1840 levels. 1840 is a very strong support. Directional movement bearish, stochastic looking downwards. The MACD is wide divergent and bearish. RSI is oversold. Similarly, if you look at the 2-hour charts, and yes, as I said, 1870 levels is the only level beyond which one can go long. As this is the first breakout candle, we can see the leading or the following candles from here. Where is the next target? It is looking forward to this zone at 1850, 1840. 1840 is a very strong support zone. If it breaks below 1840, we can see a further fall. And if you look at the indicators here, see directional movement bearish, stochastic oversold, MACD is wide divergent bearish, RSI is looking downwards. Similarly on the 3-hour chart, similar is the observation. Be watchful of 1870 and 1880 levels. Even till 1885, this zone is very important. It is going to give a very strong resistance for any upward move in silver. Else what it is trying to do, it is formed a top there. It is looking forward to come back to 1840 levels. This is the next target, and if it breaks 1840, we may see a very strong fall in silver till towards 1820, 1800 levels. Directional movement is looking forward to bearish crossover, stochastic oversold. MACD has just crossed over for a sell-off, RSI looking downwards. Similarly on the 4-hour charts, it is giving a breakout. The support at 1850 is strong, then below that 1840 is very strong. If it breaks below 1840, we may see it hitting 1835, 1820 levels. 1820 is the next very strong support. Below that, it is going to act extremely bearish here. Similarly on the 4-hour charts, directional movement looking forward to crossover. RSI stochastic oversold. MACD has just crossed over for a sell. RSI looking downwards, and on the daily charts, yes, it is giving you a breakout. See what we have seen on the 4-hour, 3-hour chart. We can expect, gold has given a breakout yesterday. Silver is trying to give you today. The candle size could be equal in size. Hence, till the time it trades below 1870, we can expect it to hit 1840, 1820 levels. And in fact, this time it can try to hit 1800 also. This is my long-term target which I had given. So possibly we may see it breaking more. Only long entry I'll recommend is above 1870. Till the time it trades below 1870, one can remain short for 1840, 1835 and then 1820, 1800 levels. Take your positions accordingly and do not overtrade. Trade with a stop loss, trade with a trailing stop loss, and do like, share, subscribe and comment. Do join my mentorship batch, and yes, you can join my VIP signals group also. Reach out to me for more details. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. Thank you.